So this US dollar CAD analysis for Tuesday the 3rd of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we came into an area and well, where did we actually go now? Let's just see where our actual lows are. So in around that 31.30. So we didn't quite get down towards that 130 here. Instead we came down towards this 31.30, from which we did find support to break back above the 31.88 and possibly even towards that 132. We've had a subsequent breakdown, retest of that 132, and now we've seen a breakdown from that 132 and that 31.88. We've seen the sell side momentum return to the market, bring us beyond this 400 period moving average. So if we do see it fall through to the downside, we'll look to see if we do find support in around that 31.40. Successful break from which our most recent swing low in around 31.40. Successful break from which we're looking for move down towards this 131, and if we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond there to the downside, the very next level marked out on the chart is a move down towards that 130 here on the US dollar CAD. If however we do turn around from where we are at present in around that 31.59 or possibly even that 31.40, we're looking for a retest of the 31.88, successful break from which we're then looking to see if we do have the momentum to bring us up towards this 32.54, and if we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 32.54, I suppose we do have to be aware of the 200 period average, but beyond that we're looking for a move back up towards that 33.54 here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing, and as we can see here on the US dollar CAD, we have mentioned that we're likely to see a bit of a pullback, especially after seeing this breakout here on the daily chart, and that's pretty much what we are seeing. We've seen a bit of a double top in around that 33.83. We've seen a fairly large candle breaking to the downside, and again we saw another large candle breaking to the downside. Had a brief bullish bounce, but we are seeing that weakness return to the market. So again, we'll look to see if we do find support in around this 131 or this 131.20 area. Previously found resistance. We'll look to see if it does form support when it's tested from above, to see if we can have a bullish bounce and a retest of that 33.83 and possibly a break and continuation to the upside here on the US dollar CAD. But if we do break down from that 131, the very next major level of note is obviously this 130, which will likely be a psychological level from which we possibly see a bullish bounce here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.